Welcome to our channel Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking 2025 Tesla Model S. A blend of luxury, innovation, and sustainability, this electric sedan is redefining the future of driving. Let's explore its features. Exterior. The 2025 Tesla Model S boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with updated LED headlights, a frameless glass roof, and flush door handles. Its low drag coefficient ensures efficiency and style. Choose from bold new colors and premium 19 inches or 21 inches wheel options to match your aesthetic. Performance. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, the Model S delivers insane power. The dual-motor all-wheel drive setup offers up to 670 horsepower, while the Plaid version rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.99 seconds. With an impressive range of up to 405 miles, it's built for thrill seekers and long trips alike. Interior. Step inside to pure luxury. The minimalist cabin features a 17-inch cinematic touchscreen, premium vegan leather, and heated seats. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom and an 8-inch display for entertainment. Don't miss the yoke steering wheel, giving you a futuristic driving experience. Safety features. Safety is paramount. The Model S includes Tesla's autopilot for semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. With a 5-star safety rating and advanced collision avoidance technology, you're in safe hands. Prices. The 2025 Tesla Model S starts at $88,490 for the base model, while the Plaid version begins at $108,490. With Tesla's reputation for value and innovation, it's worth every penny. Outro. That's the 2025 Tesla Model S, a perfect fusion of style, performance, and sustainability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below.